explain the social enterprise business model canvas and its various components, there's actually no specific starting point, but ideally it's always better to start from the social problem because that's where the social innovation idea should begin with. So what is a social problem? See, a social problem is anything that is causing a disequilibrium in the society. Now, it could be a lack of access to basic needs, it could be a suppressed voice of the minority, it could be injustice, it could be even an environmental issue. So anything that is causing a disequilibrium in the society. See, our society is a complex system and there are various stakeholders within the society. So if you look into each of these stakeholders and find if there's any stakeholder within the whole society is facing any sort of deprivation or any other issues, that is what a social problem is. Next, in the social enterprise business model canvas, you need to look into the core value offerings. So the value proposition that aims to eradicate the social problem addressed. So this is actually your mission or vision, how exactly you are going to eradicate that problem that you have identified at the beginning. So is it through a product, a service, or a process? Next, a service portfolio. See, a service portfolio is a list of services, actions, programs that deliver the core value. See, most of the time, a social enterprise works as a whole system, which is a combination of many subsystems. So within that whole system, there are various different services that combine together the core value offerings. So you need to look into, from a systems perspective, and look into what are the various aspects that complements your core value offerings. And that includes within your service portfolio. Network partners. So network partners refers to the reference groups, peer support network who are willing to join the cause. See, most often to create value in the society, it's not simply one man's job or simply done by one party in the game. Rather, it takes a cumulative effort from multiple actors or reactors from the society. It could be a reference group, it could be a peer support network, or even it could be some like-minded people. So simply it's a collaborative effort, and who else will join the mission to go with the collaboration? That includes within the network partners. So the beneficiaries simply refer to the target group or the vulnerable segment who will be benefited, or in other words, the group who are subject to the intervention, who exactly you are going to support through your innovative business idea, and that includes your beneficiaries. Channel refers to the media through which the services or the products will be provided, whether it's online, offline, or whatever media that you're going to use to deliver the value that you're creating through your social innovation idea. Revenue stream refers to the sources of earnings which will keep the venture sustainable. In order to sustain your venture or your social enterprise should have some sources of earning, and this earning will be the blood flow of your enterprise. So you should be able to identify the sources of your revenue which will help your organization to sustain. So the costs refers to the sources of your expenditure. That includes your capital cost, operational cost, and day-to-day other costs that are involved to run your social enterprise venture. And finally, impact refers to a set of matrices to measure the progress of the value offered. See, social innovation will be measured in terms of some matrices which will say the impact that your social enterprise venture is creating. So you should be able to identify what exactly are the key matrices that will be used to measure the impact of your social enterprise venture.